Do you like hammering, Silas?
Yeah. Some hills I can't do.
Some hammers you can't do.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you call this? Hammer time? What did you call this?
Hammer time.
Yeah.